Ayaw mo na yung ano, kalakad-lakad.
Ang lakad-lakad.
Ang lakad kayo ba nung dahil yung araw. Nagsawa mo yung ate at yung kambal.
Pagdating.
Oo. Ano doon? Ano? Saan ba yun? Saan ba yun, kuya?
Yung tsamba. Saan?
Oo.
Sa ano dun sa sulong.
Hindi.
Ang tatanong ko sa'yo maniwala. Opal.
Malapit lang yun. Ha? Malapit lang.
Medyo layo.
Nangyayabon doon yung aso. O wala.
Wala.
Nakita nangyayabon doon yung aso eh. Eh, ayun na.
Ay, yung basa ganun.
Oo. Ito.
I drove 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to than to me.
Yan yung basag dito. Okay na pala eh.
And now was her name. I never knew her, but I loved her just the same. I loved her name. Wish that I had found a way, and the reasons that would make her stay. I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. If I can't have